Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Welcome back to another latest update of the Vechain. What's the current price of Vechain? What's the price change is occurring in the Vechain? In this video I will share the latest update. My friends, keep watching this video complete. Before starting this video, make sure to subscribe our channel, my friends, for more news and updates videos. So let's see, my friends, the current price of the Vechain in the market is 0.072073 USD dollar is the currently live price of the Vechain in the market. And furthermore, my friends, if we talk about the price change is occurring in the Vechain, so now the last 1 hour change is positive 0.2%. The last 1 day change is positive 7.41%. And the 7-day last 1 week change is positive 10.52%. So absolutely, my friends, that's mean that the last 1 week changes of the Vechain is positive. So that's mean that Vechain continued jumping from the last 1 week, and my friends, you can see, my friends, from the price chart, that's also clear for everybody. You can see here that I'm very happy to see this kind of jumps of the Vechain, my friends. Really appreciate this kind of jumps of the Vechain, my friends. Absolutely, it's a massive update of the Vechain, my friends. You can see, my friends, in the previous time the price falls down, but now in this time the price start increasing. Positive 11.4% the price of the Vechain increase in the last 7 days. So that's really a good profit for all of you, my friends. Invest now more and more in the Vechain, my friends. Vechain will give you a good amount of profit to the last of 2021. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.